China reveals its most advanced nuclear-armed intercontinental ballistic missile, the DF-41, at the National Day Parade in Beijing on October 1, 2019. Now facing rising strategic threats from the US, China needs to increase the number of nuclear warheads and complete a technologically advanced nuclear threat by developing H-20 stealth bomber and GL-3 submarine-launched ballistic missile against US. Having a nuclear arsenal appropriate to China's position will help establish a more stable and peaceful world order, which will be beneficial for the whole world, they said. This year, the US has been applying amplified military pressure on China, sending all manner of warship and warplane at an increasing frequency to area including the South China Sea, East China Sea and Taiwan. The Pentagon is also planning to deploy ground-launched Tomahawk cruise missile installation to the first island chain to contain China's military development, which would not been possible had the US not quit the INF treaty, Reuters reported on Wednesday. Since May 1, the US has sent B-1B strategic bombers to the East China Sea on at least 3 occasions, edging near the island of Taiwan. Making matters worse, the US has been advocating the development and actual use of low-yield nuclear weapons, claiming they are safer than more destructive ones. Chinese military expert argued the country to expand its nuclear arsenal to deter the US from its ambition to contain China through nuclear weapons. One of Chinese government said in an interview that China needs to expand the number of its nuclear warheads to 1,000 in a relatively short time and have at least 100 DF-41 strategic missile. One of a Chinese government spokesperson said in an interview that China needs to expand the new number of its nuclear warheads to 1,000 in a relatively short time and have at least 100 DF-41 strategic missile to grab US strategic ambition and impulses toward China. China always operates under a no-first use policy when it comes to nuclear weapons, and China-related policy is moderate and responsible. China revealed its most advanced nuclear weapon at the National Day Military Parade held in Beijing on October 1, 2019. The rocket-launched DF-41 intercontinental ballistic missile is capable of striking the US homeland with multiple nuclear warheads. China is reportedly testing the GL-3 submarine-armed nuclear ballistic missile and developing the Type 096 nuclear-powered strategic submarine to launch the missile, and also in developing the H-20 stealth bomber compared to the US B-2. China has held only a small number of nuclear weapons, far fewer than the US in both equality, quantity, but the US is asking China to join Strategic Arm Reduction Talk. That is a treaty China will not join unless it comes into possession of same level of nuclear weapons as the US. And China has no intention of launching a nuclear arms race with the US, but moderately expanding its nuclear arsenal in both quantity and quality is in line with the demands of national security, Song said, the minister of Chinese government. One another minister said, China's development of new strategic weapons does not mean it will affect the world or threaten any country. Instead, it wants to increase its own strategic defense capabilities. As China, a responsible major country in the world, should have nuclear deterrence capabilities appropriate to its position and strategic interest. Why asserted other Chinese minister. China's upgrading of its nuclear weapon will also contribute to the establishment of a new strategic balance, noting that if China has stronger strategic capabilities, countries that tend to wage war will be less likely to start one. This will be good for the whole world, he said. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please like, comment and share. Do your valuable comment.